Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use and redeem Walmart gift card online. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Walmart, I need you to click on the create account option, and from there just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, for you to be able to use a Walmart gift card online and redeem the VAT balance, all you have to do is go to the official Walmart website. Now, if you don't have already one, you can basically buy any kind of Walmart e-gift card, such as, like here, Everyday Basic Blue Yellow Spark Walmart e-gift card. They also have the Basic Blue Walmart e-gift card, and of course, the Everyday Blue Gift Walmart e-gift card. Now, the thing is, once you have added all the items to your cart, you need to click on the cart icon or checkout to begin the checkout process if you have already purchased the e-gift card. When you click on this one, what will happen is you would be forwarded here and you need to add an amount to the Walmart e-gift card. So you can choose from any amount from 20, 25, 50, 75, 100, and of course from 200 and 300. Of course, from here, you can also enter any amount between 5 to 5,000. So basically, the limit is very high. Now, in case you wanted to have it delivered, you have an option to deliver tomorrow or pick up and a lot of other options. Now, for example, you decided to get the $50. All you gotta do is already added on your account, go to the upper right corner of the shopping cart. And what will happen is you need to continue to check out, and once you've done that, the Walmart card will be added to your balance on your account. All right, for example, you planning to buy this item. This is going to be the Arctic King freezer stainless steel door. If you click on the add to cart, click on it. And then what will happen on the checkout process, when you click on it, you would be able to see an option to use the Walmart gift card, all right? But of course, you have to log in so that you would be able to see that. And then after that, just enter the Walmart e-gift number, all right? And from there, you see, you would be able to get the discount and the balance would reflect to your account. For example, if you have like $300 on your checkout, you can use the Walmart gift card online balance to pay for it, if not get a huge discount. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.